Today in the cattle, the market was a little bit lower, and it was for the fourth day in a row. Now, we did have some new highs, and we've been saying that for the past number of months, new high again, and it really has been, just a lot of scratching of the head that the market is just moving, but demand is just keep pushing this market higher. Cash markets have really not developed yet this week, and yet we've seen how the markets, how the market has been, bouncing around a little bit. It did have some to give. I think that the traders are just hoping for some consolidation to kind of like stop the slide, that it doesn't really push it lower. But we were expecting that there possibly could be a correction here. The market did get carried away a little bit. There has been some overflow buying that came out of the hog market because that's been really working so high. But the feeders today were a little bit were steady, and I think that bodes well actually for the live cattle too. They were steady for the last 2 days. We really there's been concerns that there has been some excess supplies because the markets were so high. But the futures are really staying in the same channel, and the sideways trading is just holding the market steady. We're looking for more demand to check back in right now. I think that there is some worry that this is overdone, but that worry has been here for the past number of weeks, and the market has just kind of like shaken it off and really moved higher. Now, we know that the markets definitely, since they've been on the electronic platform, have overshot the objective on the upside and the downside. Could that be very possible? But it's kind of difficult to just say, okay, it's going straight up and now it's going straight down. I think the market could very well consolidate here, especially because we have some reports. Certainly today is going to be the hog and pig report. That's why we're going to watch closely what's happening with the pork situation. Right now, today, the porks did slip a little bit. They are retracing a little bit, and it has continued somewhat. But we knew that it was going to correct. But the interesting thing is that today, China did confirm that they were going to be buying pork to fill in the shortfall from the African swine fever. And then the market today was lower. So it's a little bit of like buy the rumor, sell the fact kind of thing. We know that that happens. But with tomorrow's hog and pig report, I think they're expecting to show some herd expansion. That could put some pressure on the market. But the market had been so depressed for so long, we don't know if that's really going to send it into a tumble at all. Still a lot of good things for the hogs. So I think that we know that we're ready for some volatility. I'm not sure, unless there's a big whopper of a number that we didn't expect that comes tomorrow. I think that we're still going to stay pretty strong here just where we are today.